So in this video, I'm going to go over creation of a DSP, custom DSP, simple DSP. This will be a one-way DSP, no feedback, just a slider with the capability of sending out variable command. So let's just do this all to make it easier to find. Let's use that. So let's just do audio. So in this case, I just want to have, let's make it TCP, and I will make it here 2001. Leave as is. Commands. So here I need to add two things probably for most DSPs. We need a volume variable, which will include a channel. And let's look over the DSP again. So we need a channel, and then the value will be set over here. So if I go back to commands, I can do volume up. I'm just going to create new commands here. So in this case, we're going to create, so just an example, I'll just do vout, vout. So in this case, it's going to be the channel, so I'll %C space %V, and basically V is going to be our levels that we set on the next page. And so I'm also going to add Dsp Mute. So let's just do V mute. Whoops. V mute. Again, channel. So %C, %V. Okay. And now I will go to DSPs. And so what we do is add DSP control. So add a new control. It's going to have both volume and mute. So in this case, I'll do volume first. So this first one's going to be channel 1. Whoops, no, I'm sorry. Set that to mute. Channel 1. This is the name of your control. This is the mute on off. These are your selections. You have gain, integer, gain, float, and mute on off. So we'll use mute there. And so the command that's going to be sent, the %V that we did on the other, is going to be, this is where we would put the commands. So mute on. And, I'm sorry, mute off. And mute on. Okay, and so that's the way that one will work. You could just add something just so we can see the difference. And then this one will be the volume. So DSP volume here. And again, channel. So we'll just leave it at channel 1 and call it gain 1 and gain control. And so here we can set the levels. And so I can set it from 0. Let's just say 100. I can increment by here. I'll just increment by 1s. And then we can also, this is not set right now, but this we'll set it to only on release of the button. So I'll leave it that way and you'll be able to see. So basically this is set up. I can save this now. So now I can go into a room just see here. And I just get rid of anything I need to get rid of. Let's look at, I just want to launch this really quick. And so there is a volume, so I just need to clear that out. Here, none, save. Okay, so in this case now I'm going to add the, let's get rid of this matrix, I don't want it interfering. So add Josh's DSP. And there it is, add. And so now I will put in my IP address here, 110.1.0.27, and my port is 2001. And here now I'm going to assign, so this is our mute, so this will be going to master mute. And this was my volume, so this will be going to master volume. And save that. And that should be connected. Let's see here. So let's actually to clear this in 1 second. Let me go back. I need to disconnect the other room because the other room also has a device, I believe, hooked up on the same IP address. Oh no, it's cleared out now. Okay, so let's go back. So now when I launch Dsp Control, let's get this back up. Here, here. And so now, I launch this control screen. We should now have a slider, which is here, mute. So if I click on the mute, we can see now vmute off, vmute on. Oh, there's a mess up in that command, I think. Yes, there is. On, off. Mute on. Unless I was pressing it twice. Let me see, actually. Let me do that. Let's raise it. So you can see here the volume level is going all the way up to 100 as we instructed it. And let me clear this out and see. Oh no, it's correct. I was pushing something incorrectly. So on and off mute. And volume. So you see the levels and it's sending it. So there's our slider. The ability to create streaming or variable volume, setting ranges, setting increments, and that's it.